Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to properly clean your windshield. And the products that we're going to be using is invisible glass and Rain-X. So all you'll need is your glass cleaner, which is the invisible glass. And you probably want to use something that's streak free and ammonia free. And then we're just gonna use Rain-X so that way the water can bead up. And the good news is it's raining outside. So after I'm done cleaning, I'm gonna show you guys how the water just beads up perfectly. And obviously you guys wanna keep your windshield as clean as possible so that way when you're driving at night, you're gonna be as safe as possible. So we're just gonna use those products and a nice microfiber towel. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is you take your invisible glass and you just spray. Spray your windshield. Like that. Just spray half of your windshield and not the whole thing, so that way by the time you're done with this side, that side has not evaporated and left any residue. And then you just take your microfiber towel and boom. Flip to the other side. Get the edges as much as you can. Don't forget to get under your windshield wipers because this is probably like one of the dirtiest spots, so can't do this with one hand. I don't know. See? Look how dirty under the windshield wiper was. You just do on the other half now. Start rubbing. And now we get the Rain-X. We just spray it directly onto the towel and then blab it on the windshield. Flip your towel over to your dry side, do the same thing, dry it off. We're just gonna spray a little bit more for the other side. Make sure to rub the product into your windshield. This will help prevent water from sticking to your windshield and it'll actually beat it up. Flip to the dry side, dry it off. Now I'm just gonna clean the inside of the windshield real quick, spray some more invisible glass. Look at that interior. Fire. This will obviously help for visibility at night too. Clean. And let's just go on a test drive real quick so I can show you guys how well the water beads up on the windshield. So if the windshield was left untreated, the water wouldn't be beating up like this, you know? See, look at this water is beating off. You barely even have to use your windshield wipers.